Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to delete our Reddit account. So if you want to delete your Reddit account, first of all you have to open up your Reddit application, and after opening your Reddit application just tap on the profile icon which is on the top right, and after opening your Reddit application tap on the profile icon which is on the top right, and now tap on settings which is on the bottom, and after tapping on settings tap on account center, and after tapping on account center scroll all the way down and you can find delete account. Just tap on delete account and it will ask you, are you sure you want to delete your account? Just tap on yes and delete. Now you have to enter your password. So after entering your password just tap on done, and here you can see your account was successfully deleted and your profile will no longer appear under it. So this is how you can delete your Reddit account. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.